Series Link is a powerful automated recording feature built into EETV boxes that revolutionizes how you watch television. This intelligent system ensures you never miss an episode of your favorite shows. The Series Link system works by analyzing electronic program guide data, commonly known as EPG data. This digital information contains detailed scheduling and program identification that allows your EETV box to automatically recognize when new episodes of your chosen series will air. Setting up Series Link is remarkably simple. First, navigate to your desired program in the TV guide using your remote control. Then press the red Record button on your remote. When the recording options appear, select either Record Series or Series Link option. After selecting Series Link, you can customize your recording preferences. Choose between standard and high-definition quality. Set retention periods for automatic deletion of watched episodes, and configure padding time before and after programs to ensure complete recordings. Modern EETV boxes are equipped with impressive recording capabilities. They feature multi-tuner technology, allowing you to record multiple programs simultaneously, typically 2 to 4 channels at once. The internal hard drives range from 500 gigabytes to 1 terabyte, providing ample storage for your recorded content. Recent software updates have significantly enhanced the Series Link experience. EE has improved cloud integration, allowing better synchronization across devices, and introduced a more intuitive user interface. These updates have also increased the reliability of series identification and reduced recording conflicts, making the system more dependable than ever. EETV boxes offer sophisticated recording features that go far beyond basic recording. These advanced options give you complete control over how and what gets recorded. The modern EETV box contains powerful recording capabilities with multiple advanced options to customize your viewing experience. First run-only recording ensures you only capture new episodes, avoiding duplicate recordings of repeats. This saves valuable storage space on your device. Quality settings let you choose between standard definition and high definition recording, balancing picture quality with storage requirements. Padding time adds extra minutes before and after programs to ensure you never miss the beginning or end of your shows, even if they run over schedule. Automatic deletion rules help manage your storage by removing watched episodes after a set period, keeping your system running smoothly. Now, let's explore the exciting future trends that are transforming how we record and watch television. The future of TV recording is moving beyond traditional set-top boxes toward integrated cloud and streaming solutions. Integration with streaming services creates a unified experience where you can search and record content across both live TV and on-demand platforms seamlessly. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing how recording systems understand and anticipate your viewing preferences. AI-powered smart recommendations analyze your viewing patterns to suggest new series you might enjoy, while intelligent conflict resolution automatically manages recording schedules. Mobile apps are becoming increasingly sophisticated, offering complete remote control over your recording system with real-time notifications and management. These advanced recording options and emerging trends represent the evolution of television technology, making it easier than ever to capture, manage, and enjoy your favorite content exactly how you want it.